Cory, how are you? Huh?
We're out here building again.
Another milestone, yeah?
Yeah. We got the last video. I don't think we had the slab in, the foundation.
Yeah.
The slab is in, 4,000 square feet, costing me under 20K, which I think is a good deal.
Yeah.
Like you've been mentioning, we got a lot of puddles and stuff, but that's actually helping it cure, right? It's gonna take about 30 days to cure the concrete.
Yeah.
It's going on about a week now.
Yeah.
But what I've worked on after the slab, I started going up higher on the ICF rows.
Yeah.
So now I'm at about 9 feet.
Yeah.
Today, you're here to show me how to do the stirrups and the lintels for the windows.
Yeah.
We decided on the fly that these windows are too small.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go up a little higher and we're gonna make them bigger windows.
Yes.
I thought that I wasn't too sure.
Yeah.
This is okay, but bigger is better.
Yeah. All right. So, it's such a milestone today. The next goal is to reach to what stage when you are going to be building a bunch of construction on this side of the house. This side of the house, from that corner to that corner, there's going to be 21 feet of cathedral ceiling. So you're going to have to build up to get to the cathedral ceiling to put a foam for insulation,
right,
and drywall. It's going to be a lot of building up with 2x4s, right?
Right.
So the 2x4s are going to be used as a partition on this side of the building, right? As a partition for your bedrooms, which you will have about 7 bedroom, one massive one above that garage there,
right,
and another in-law suite in this area, right?
Yeah.
And you'll have 2 bedrooms over there on the first floor,
right,
and then 3 bedrooms over there on the second floor.
Yeah.
So a lot of partitions. So you're gonna use those partitions in this area where you have a cathedral ceiling up this area, and you're gonna build 4 walls like we talked about.
Yeah.
And you're gonna build a second floor, and you're gonna go 2 more rows of ICF on the second floor. Then we will pour our next ICF concrete pour. Right? So your task now from here until next time we meet is you building all this stuff, and I will take you through it.
Right.
You building this to the second floor, putting beams. It's gonna take you about a month. If you have a couple of more people, you might shorten that time.
Yeah.
I think you should have more people, not by yourself.
Yeah, I'll probably do it all by myself.
Are you crazy?
Well, I look at it like, and we talk about this a lot actually, but like, one, if I do it by myself, I don't have to teach anybody.
Yeah.
And that just slows me down. Some people just don't work as hard as me either.
Yeah.
Like, I don't take
That's
no breaks,
true, man.
I don't sit down.
Yes.
Like, it's just, come here.
Yeah.
It's all work, no play. Like,
Yeah.
that's how you have to do it. Be very, very consistent.
I said before you start this journey, man, I said you gonna have to impress me, and you did. You impressed me a lot. How hard you work, man. That's crazy.
Well, I spend a lot of time away from my family doing this, right? You know what it takes.
Yeah.
And I don't want
it's not easy.
Work nothing.
Yes.
You know, I'm leaving my family to do this, so I make sure that it's worth it. And then every day I think about when they're going to be running through the hallways of a 7-bedroom house.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's the reward when you see your kids asking you, "Where's my bedroom?" You know, I have that video. My daughter is asking me that. That's so sweet, man.
I watch your videos, man. I watch your videos and I subscribe.
Thank you. So that's our goal. And just to revisit a couple of things that we did about the PEX. You put air in it, and this side, it did not move in about a week or 2.
Right.
The air did not move at all, right?
Right.
It's still sitting at over 60. Did you fill it up all to 70?
It was at 70.
Yeah.
But I think because of the cold and the heat, it fluctuates.
Yeah. That's right. It's just like your tire too, right?
Yeah.
But this only has to hold 15 psi when everything is running.
Yeah.
So we talked about matching the windows. You're gonna have to do a lot of. You're gonna have to leave this ICF loose for a while as you're building.
Yeah.
But when you are putting it together, like, you're gonna have to anchor everything slowly. It's like it's a loose build.
Yeah.
Then eventually you're gonna anchor everything in exactly where you want it.
Tighten
okay.
it up, yeah.
Yeah, tighten up, and then it becomes perfect. But I am impressed how massive this house is going to be. Your garage. I am so happy for how big your garage turned out to be. This is a design that you picked. This design you picked online, an American site. It's not Canadian site. There's a lot of them.
So what I did though,
Yeah.
I can explain that quickly as a story. You know, when we sold our house in our last posting, it was like, okay, how do we transfer that equity into a new home? And we didn't want to lose it coming to a new location in Kingston. So I just told Cassandra, I told the wifey, you pick any house online that you want, any house, and I'll build it.
Okay.
And this is the house that we built. And then you improved it, looked at it, and said there are certain things that I could do better.
Yes.
And one of them was the garage.
The garage, yeah. The garage, the American site was very small size, so I increased it in the design by about a foot, 2 foot, I don't remember exactly each way, and it came out beautiful. One of the things I love how it came out beautiful is that if you see here, there's going to be a beam right about here on top of the garage. This side of the beam is part of a roof, the second floor, but then this side is going to get another bedroom upstairs. You can call it an apartment. So half of it is going to be an apartment. And it turns out in the plan, the apartment did not look this big, but now when I look at it, it's massive. It's a massive apartment.
Yeah.
With its own washroom and full washroom up there, right?
Yeah.
It's a massive so you're able to extract an apartment out of a roof design.
Right. So what that is 733 square feet.
Yeah.
With an extra 600 square feet upstairs. So
Yeah.
that gives it 1,300 square foot home. That's
Yeah.
the size of the PMQ that I'm in right now.
Yeah.
My garage is the size of the PMQ.
Which is amazing. So this is altogether it's like a seven bedroom house with 21 feet cathedral. We're gonna play basketball there.
Yeah, we are.
No, for sure. Basketball court. So this is going to be a very beautiful thing, and I'm so excited for Cory, to be able to finish this. I imagine he will have this done to the roof by September for sure.
Yep.
And then hire contractors to put the roof on. That's what you hire a contractor for this. Al, by the way, is a Portuguese guy.
Yeah, he's
an amazing Portuguese guy in town. I made him at Home Hardware, and now we have networks with him. And
Al was great. Al did great. His crew that did the floor, they killed it in one day. It was amazing. But I want to show you something because this was a kind of defining moment.
Yeah.
Is I actually got my civic address.
Oh, beautiful! Look at that.
So 1391 Ham Road.
Yeah.
Anybody watching this video wants to come by and help me work?
Yeah.
You just got to show up with a good work ethic.
Yeah, nice. Cool. Yeah, I like that. So that's the next plan. So subscribe, I would say. What's that? Hit the like button.
Hit the like button.
Just follow the journey, and myself and Cory are going through.
Yeah.
And you're gonna love it. Look at the view over there. It's a massive. What's the square footage there? Like you have a river, nice view over there. This is from your living dining room, right? That door you have.
Yeah.
Where is that gonna take you to? A small river.
Yeah, that's the Mill Haven Creek.
Yeah, it's a beautiful thing. There's a big rapid flow on that side of the house, and it is the most beautiful place to chill. This area, all this is going to be completed, and ICF is not difficult to build. And one man building a house for his family, man.
One man.
Yeah, you gotta, as a man, you gotta do this. Wow, I'm being a little bit of.
Yeah, no.
As a lady too.
Yeah, you've been a great help though, buddy. You're the biggest inspiring thing about this whole journey, and I honestly am grateful and couldn't have done it without you. That's the truth.
Amazing. Thank you so much. All right, Cory, let's get on this. Do the lintels and everything else. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Ciao.